How to say no without guilt after narcissistic abuse. Remember when you tried to say no to the toxic ex? How did that go? I can predict you felt threatened and triggered, and arguments resulted. Am I right? By the end of this video, you will learn how to fix this problem after your divorce from the narcissist, so that saying no doesn't trigger you and you can start thriving and living your dream life. Hello, welcome to the channel. I help my clients get their amazing lives back after narcissistic abuse using neuroscience and psychology. So let's talk about saying no. For many survivors of narcissistic abuse, saying no doesn't just feel uncomfortable, it feels unsafe. It's really hard to shake off, even when the narcissist is out of your life. In order to move on and get a great life, we have to learn this skill to avoid repeating any toxic relationship experiences in the future. So let's get into why this happens. Whenever you need to say no but give in, it's because your body may react with panic, guilt, fear, or self-doubt. This is not because no is wrong, it's because no once had consequences. Remember how that went? When you tried to assert your preferences, or just try to say no, this goes back to even before the narcissist turned up in your life. Keep listening to find out why your body reacts so strongly when you say no. So when you say no now, your nervous system may be responding to old danger, or crap, as I like to call it. It remembers criticism, rejection, abandonment, or punishment. So it tries to protect you by making you feel really uncomfortable. But we need to move forward in our new life, being able to ask for what we want or need. We are learning to meet our own needs of safety and connection in an adult thriver way. For some of my clients, as it was for me too, probably learning this for the first time ever, I had been trained to put others' needs first and that mine didn't matter at all. Check out my video here to learn more about that. So stay tuned, because we now are going to go into the fix of this issue. And here's the thing, we need to reframe this experience and change it completely. Boundaries, or saying no, is not an act of aggression, it's an act of self-connection. You are saying yes to yourself. When you say no from a regulated place, you are not harming anyone, you are clarifying what you need in that situation. Normal, healthy people will get this. Those that are used to saying yes may well find it inconvenient, but that's for them to get over. You are teaching people how to treat you. Healthy people can tolerate your no. Unhealthy people cannot. Remember again, saying no to the narcissist. Just to clarify, saying no is a boundary. Stating your preferences is a boundary. How people react to your boundaries is totally on them. And healing guilt around creating boundaries is not about forcing yourself to be brave. It's about teaching your nervous system that I can say no and still be safe. I can disappoint someone and survive. And I don't have to abandon my needs to be accepted. Embedding and integrating new beliefs takes repetition, patience, and self-support. And each time you honour your no, you are saying yes to yourself. You reclaim more and more of yourself. Eventually, no stops feeling like danger and starts feeling safe because you are being true to yourself. And this is true healing. There's just one thing I would like to share with you before you go. To start thriving in life after narcissistic abuse and to begin living your happy ever after, there is a pathway out of the nightmare and start living a life of your dreams. It's a paradox that healing is not so much about the narcissist, but that it's all about you. You hold the keys to a wonderful narcissist-free future. If you would like to know more about how to free yourself from this toxic nightmare for good, then I created this video, which I share the mindset and approach that got me free surprisingly quickly. The worrying aspect of narcissistic abuse is that narcs will keep showing up in your life until you clear your susceptibility to them. I discovered how to do this for myself, and you can watch that here.